Hey everybody, El Duderino here, and today we're making a Margherita Pizza on cauliflower crust. I know, cauliflower crust. It's actually pretty good. So before we start this though, I want to dedicate this episode to a friend of mine by the name of, we called her Vi. Her name is Videhi Campbell Williams, and unfortunately Vi lost her life a couple days before her birthday on that boat that caught on fire in California. Vi was an awesome person. Everybody who loved her, or everybody knew her, loved her to death. She just had such a free spirit. She leaves behind 2 children and an awesome husband. Vi, we love you, we miss you. And as a side note, on this episode, I will not be putting up any end screens or advertisements for other episodes because this is for you, Vi. Love you and miss you. Alright, cauliflower pizza. So I just went to the local grocery store, grabbed a couple crusts. Pretty simple. It's about $9. I had to try one out yesterday. Pretty simple. And really the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to throw it here on the flat top. You can hear it already, kind of going to town. It won't take very long on that one. So the other part of this, there's actually pretty much 3 parts to this. We have our cheese, which is mozzarella cheese. Everybody pretty much knows how to cut that. Zoe's playing out with a ball down there. Come on, Zoe, film in here. So everybody knows, I already started, but everybody pretty much knows how to take care of that. We're going to take my son Chris. Actually, it's quite the gardener. I do not have a green thumb. So we're going to take some tomatoes to use on there. One last ingredient that I forgot to mention, pizza sauce. We do have some basil as well, so actually there's 4 ingredients in this. We're just I picked a live basil. I don't need a whole heck of a lot of it. And I'll probably end up planting this plant, trying to see if I can do anything with it. But man, you can sure smell it. It already smells like a Margherita pizza. Very good. Alright, we got that going on. We're going to take our pizza, we're going to flip it, and we're going to begin our journey. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put this cheese down on it. It's mozzarella cheese. Of course, you got to have that. Now I like mine with a lot of cheese. And I know you're probably asking, dude, how come no pizza sauce yet? Well, that's coming next because I like pizza sauce, but I don't like a whole heck of a lot of it on this kind of pizza. This will kind of do its thing, work its way in, and it's all good. We're going to take our tomatoes, place them. And our basil. Kind of put it into place. Cap it. We're going to cap it and give it a few minutes. We'll come back. Okay, so it's been, I don't know, about 7-8 minutes now. Look at that. Look at how it's melted. Oh, you can sure smell it. It smells delicious. So, I think we're good to go. Neighbor kids are jumping on the trampoline. That's all right. I'm cool with it. Yeah, it just cuts like a normal pizza crust. I'm actually really impressed with cauliflower crust. I think it does a great job. I really do. Grab my plate. A couple pieces. I'm gonna turn this off. A little warm. Whew, a little warm still. Check out the bottom though. I mean, that's awesome. That really came together. And look how solid this is too. It's just like a pizza crust. So good. Okay, now, moment of truth on our pizza. Nice and gooey. Very good. This is very good. You don't even get the taste of the cauliflower. I'm not a big cauliflower fan, but look how it stays together. I mean, it does the job. Anyhow, folks, the link's down below on how to make this. It is super simple and it is part of our keto program, so you're not going to go wrong. You can do anything with this. I've made pepperoni pizzas. I've made Hawaiian pizzas with this. Just straight cheese pizza for the kids. The kids even liked it, which was very surprising. Like I said, the recipe's down below. Thanks everybody for watching. It does mean a lot to Steve and I. Really appreciate it. You're watching The Dude's Kitchen. And remember, the dude abides.